Hello everyone. My topic is history of my city and name of my city is Bhopal and it is also the capital of the Indian state Madhya Pradesh. That is the map of the Madhya Pradesh and that is the map of the Bhopal. Okay, and Bhopal is also known as the city of lakes. Okay, due to the various artificial and natural lakes is in Bhopal. Okay. Bhopal city is founded by the Parmar King Bhoj in 11th century. Okay, this is the picture of the Raja Bhoj, and originally the name of the Bhopal is the Bhojpal. Bhoj in on the basis of the name of the king, and Pal for the dames. In this way, the original name of the Bhopal is the Bhojpal, but now it is named as the Bhopal. This is Bhojpur temple, also known as the Bhojeshwar temple, and it is the incomplete Hindu Shiv temple. And its construction work started in the reign of the Raja Bhoj in 11th century. This is the picture of the Moti Masjid of Bhopal, also known as the Pearl Mosque. It is situated in the heart of the city and constructed in 1860 by the Sikandar Jahan Begum of Bhopal, who is the daughter of the Kudisha Begum. Next one is the picture of the Jama Masjid, which is officially named as the Tajul Masjid, and it is very popular and largest mosque. Its construction work started in the reign of the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar and finally got completed in the 1985. Bhopal is situated in the center of the India and it is 360 miles south of the New Delhi. And after the Union Carbide gas leak in 1984, population of the Bhopal was only 8,50,000 in 1984 and many people died due to the leakage of the methyl isocyanide gas that was very horrible black night for the Bhopal in the 1984, but currently population of the Bhopal approaches the 1.5 million. Present city Bhopal is founded by the Dost Muhammad Khan in 1707 and firstly he establishes the small kingdom in Bhopal, then it becomes the princely state in British India in 1880. Culture, arts and the public works started in Bhopal in 19th century in the reign of the Begum Mamula Bai, who ruled for 15 years behind the curtain due to the ineffective sons. The accepted rule of the Begums dates from the accession of the 18-year-old Qudaiya Begum from the 1819 to the 1837, who seized the control after the assassination of her husband. Although she was illiterate, she was brave and refused to follow the Parda tradition. She declared that her 2-year-old daughter Sikandar would follow her as the ruler of the Bhopal, and none of the male family member dare challenge her decision. And she was legendary for the care that she took of her subjects, eating her meals only after the receiving the news every night that her subjects had taken meals. She also invested in public works, building the Jama Masjid of Bhopal and a beautiful palace of Gauhar Mahal. Kudesha carefully prepared her daughter Sikandar to rule and laying the foundation for what would become the Bhopal's golden age. In 1844, Sikandar Begum rose to the power, and her name, which means Alexander the Great in Arabic, proved prophetic in its fought in many battles and never observed the Parda. During the Indian Rebellion of 1857, she sided with the British and crushed those who revolted against them. However, Sikandar was also an enlightened modernist and a reformer, presiding over the administrative, social, and the educational reforms that made Bhopal a haven for the scholarship and culture and a center for building arts and the craft. Her successor, Shah Jahan Begum, from the 1868 to 1901, proved a marked contrast to her powerful mother, but she still left a considerable mark in the architecture, music, poetry, and the arts. In fact, like her Mughal namesake Emperor Shah Jahan, she bore a particular passion for the architecture and invested heavily in a series of elaborate public works that beautified the city. Sultan Jahan Begum, daughter of the Shah Jahan Begum, succeeded her in 1901, ruling until the succession of her son and in 1926. She further advanced the emancipation of the women and established a modern municipal system. She had her own palace Sardar Manjil, but she preferred the quiet and serene environment at the outskirts of the society. She developed her own walled mini city named the Ahmedabad after her late husband. Sultan Jahan combined Muslim piety with the ardent reform and became an international figure as first president of the All India Conference on Education and first chancellor of the Muslim University of the Aligarh. The peaceful rule of the Begums led to the rise of a unique mixed culture in Bhopal. The Hindus were given important administrative position in the state. This led to the communal peace and a cosmopolitan cultural book its roots. Even the Pathans, famous for their roughness and soldier-like their nature, acquired a taste of culture and indulged in poetry, arts and literature. Today, Bhopal remains a city of the considerable beauty. The two lakes of Bhopal still dominate the city. Bordered along their shores are the old city with the marketplace, magnificent mosques and the places, and the new city with the verdant, executively laid out parks and the gardens, broad avenues, and streamlined modern building. Reflection spot based on the video provided above of my city. Question is, in which year Bhopal gas tragedy occurred? First option is the 1973. That is the wrong answer because Bhopal gas tragedy occurred in the 1984. So option Bhopal gas tragedy occurred in 1984. Option C, that is also wrong, and that is the option D, that is the correct answer. 1984. Bhopal gas tragedy occurred in the 1984 due to the leakage of the methyl isocyanide gas, and many people died in this incident, and it was the very horrible black night for the Bhopal. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching the video.